I'm gonna show you how to get into the ape position, how to move with it laterally, and why I love it so much, and what you can start learning how to do once you've got your ape. So, why do I love the ape so much? Check it out, look at the way you gotta sit. Boom, hip mobility. Look at the way my ankles position, ankle mobility, and the fact that I have to maintain upright posture like this, posture position. So you get all in one, you get to be grounded into the ground, you get to work on your mobility, plus you get to work on your core strength and become primal. Yeah, yeah. The ape position is just a fancy way of saying ass to grass squat, yo. So what you wanna do is plant your heel, none of this, really planted, which means you gotta work on that hip mobility. Check out all the previous tutorials on the hip and on the ankle because you're gonna need all that to do all of this, okay? So you wanna have your belly into your spine, your ribs zipped up, and you wanna be seated right down. And over time, this is gonna get more and more comfortable. But in the beginning, even for me, it was burning, yo. I had a fire building deep down in the quads, in the ankles. You fatigue really fast, but trust me, eventually will get easier. So this right here is your classic static ape. Once you have your ape, you can learn to travel with it. So I'm gonna teach you a few different ways that we travel with ape. The first one is the low hip, lateral traveling ape. So what it means is I'm gonna sandwich my hands in between my knees. I'm gonna push the ground away as I lift my hips and move across the floor laterally. So I ended up in the same position. So sandwich the knee and the hands, push the ground away, move laterally. It's called low hip because I'm trying to maintain my hips low. So my butt's not really coming off, and I'm just pushing the ground away, and I'm resetting and coming back just like this. Heels planted, butt down, core in, posture tight, posture up, and you're gonna go travel. So, super fun way to exercise, super fun way to incorporate into your workouts. You can ape travel in between lifts. So, go do some bicep curls, travel over here, then do some squats. That's how I love to incorporate primal movements into my workouts, and that's what we do in the Win Your Way, my online premier signature program. So that's low hip. Next, leveled up, spicy version is the wide hip. Check this out. So the previous version, we did low hip, regular legs. Check out what I'm gonna do now. So same thing with the sandwiching of the knee between the hands, but now, boom, popping that foot wide, and the transfer over. Woo! I should have warmed up first. So, and the shift. Wide leg and shift over. Sandwich the hands, wide hip, shift over. You need a lot of hip mobility for this. Woo! I recommend doing some basic hip warm-up before you try that. So I love this one for incorporating animal movements as well as hip mobility training, as well as ninja training. Whew. I'll show you what it looks like from the side. Okay, sandwich, put the toe out and do the shift. Damn, okay. Bonus variation. Dudes, I don't even know if I can do this. Like, I know I can't do it, but I'm gonna do it for you anyway because I love you guys. So this is the high hip version, where essentially the goal is you're gonna move laterally and you're gonna stack, hand balancing style, stack your hips over your shoulders, over your hands. Let's give this a shot. Okay, begin in ape. So you would do the same thing. And then you would go high hip. Whoa, did I do it? Did I do it? Let's try it again. The other way, high hip. And reset, high hip. Woo! So that's your third variation. They're all super fun. They all need a lot of mobility, and strength, especially for the last version, which is why I love it. So make sure you guys nail the APE, because we're gonna keep building on our APE, and we're gonna learn to do all types of cool things with it, like that type of stuff. Woo! This is your girl Maya. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you check out the box below for more videos to help you in your journey to be primal. All right guys, I'll see you next time.